Follow the steps on how to remove shadows on paper using Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Then add levels. Adjust the dark and light. Select this layer and activate the Dodge tool. Select Highlight and adjust the exposure. Start removing the shadows until they are clean. Add new levels. And here is the before and after. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.